So while I'm setting up the Porsches here, figure I'd do a little video with some of this stuff. You can already tell this is gonna turn into, instead of just having a shelf of Porsches, it's going to eventually be the air-cooled Porsches versus the liquid-cooled Porsche 911s, and then all the other weird oddball Porsches in a completely segregated area. So probably going to be 3 shelves of Porsche, 2 of them being 911 in the next year or so. Let's crack this open. Alright. This thing's nice. The Spectra Flame's beautiful. Not big on the wheel choice, but I'm not going to drill this one apart, and I don't have time for all that. Alright. Just put it right here. Probably do that with a few other things. Let's see. Oh, this ambulance. Even though it's a fantasy car, it's pretty detailed. Metal-based plastic body. So let's find where the ambulances are, and we'll shove it back there, I think. I suppose I could put it in this hole. Nice. Oh, and somewhere down here, there we go. LEWs, and put those up there. And we got this guy, which is a pretty hard to find Mack fire truck. And there's also a Mack, a Model B, excuse me, 1963 Mack over here, but this one's a premium. And I definitely want this one to sit next to it. So let's open it up. All right. Feel like we can keep going. There's a couple others I can think of. Oh, this Dodge. Where's the Mopars? There we go. That Dodge Charger belongs right there. And we got a couple of holes over here in the Hondas. Crack this one open. Alright, so I got the Honda S2000 with opening hood. Matchbox moving parts. So that belongs right here. There we go. And we got a bunch of Toyotas down here. Oh, you know what? Nope, we already got one of those. What other NSXs are around here? 2017 Ford GT. There we go. Alright, let's do one more. How about this Cadillac? It's a 59 Cadillac after Hot Wheels redid the casting. Because these horrible atrocities were the originals. I don't know who designed those, but I don't know if it was Larry Wood. He must have had way too many drinks and some peyote or something. Alright. There we go. I got 2 of the Super Treasure Hunts. I gotta bring one over here. One's pretty good, the other one I bought on eBay, and that collapsed axle. I think it was never properly put together in Malaysia, pretty sure. Alright, so gotta keep going. Gotta stay busy and keep going. I got a lot of work left to do. The floor is a mess, and this car's all over the place, and there's more and more and more stuff. Try to consolidate and all that stuff, so gotta keep going.